Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will begin by preparing the essentials. Install Android Studio and the correct SDK, and enable developer options on your device for testing. Create a new app widget provider class and a simple layout XML that includes an image view to host photos. Then add the widget metadata file, app widget provider info, and set min width/min height plus update period millis. This gets you past setup into the first actionable steps, so you can immediately deploy and see the blank widget on your home screen. Once the provider and layout exist, implement image loading and updates so the widget actually shows photos. Use Glide or Picasso to fetch and cache images off the main thread, then write bytes into a bitmap and set it on remote views via Set Image View Bitmap. In onUpdate, push remote views using App Widget Manager and attach pending intent for clicks. Make sure to support resize events by providing alternative layout XML and handling on app widget options changed. This ensures your image scales correct. Finish by polishing permissions, performance, and deployment. If you read local photos, request read external storage or use scoped storage APIs and SAF. If remote, ensure network permissions. Optimize with disk/memory caching and small compressed bitmaps so the widget stays responsive. Once done, sign and build a release APK and test on multiple API levels and devices. If something breaks, inspect Logcat for remote views errors. Verify pending intent flags and confirm you haven't exceeded remote view size limits. That single check fixes many silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.